This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Rear shock absorbers replacement. Apply the parking brake. Chock the front wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the rear wheel lug nuts, then raise the rear of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the rear wheels. Remove the upper shock nut. Remove the lower shock nut. Some penetrating oil may help loosen the nut. With the upper and lower nuts removed, slide the shock off of the studs and remove it from the vehicle, compressing it if necessary. Compress the shock if necessary before installing. As quickly and as safely as possible, install the shock, attaching it to the lower shock mounting stud, then the upper stud. The shock will slowly expand after compressing it. Install the washer and nut onto the upper stud. Install the lower washer and nut. Tighten the lower nut to the specified torque setting. Tighten the upper nut to the specified torque setting. Repeat this procedure for the remaining rear shock absorber. Install the rear wheels and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Remove the front tire chocks.